Just English is the most important language in all over the world. People also want to speak English language, but he can't speak English language. What is the major reason? I also talk about today. What is the major strategy to speak English language? Just when you start speaking, there are many types of issues will come in your mind, and you also thinking about a lot, but you can't be speaking English language. What is the major reason? Major reason is that when you start speaking, there is many types of issues. Also, you also thinking about that types of person is in front of you. If you thinking about that types of person who's in front of you, who's beside you, you also focus on that person who is thinking about you at this time, and he commented at you, he laughed at you. Also focus on that. But if you want to speak English language, na, you can't be focused on that people who is in front of you, who is beside you. Just you focus on the sentences and the sense of the sentences. If you focus on the sense of the sentences, and you will write that things, that's very important for the sentences. Just you write ki, when you start speaking, then you make a sentence. When you make a sentence, then you focus on that ki, what is the subject, what is the helping verb, main verb, and what is the object of that types of sentences, what is the sense of the sentences. You're thinking about that. When you're thinking about that, then you complete your sentences and complete your sense. When you complete your sense, then you express that. There is the first way when you start speaking. But the second way is that there is no people also thinking about that. When you learn a lot of vocabulary, and when you read the grammar completely, then you speak English language. That is not a good thing. The only way is that when you start speaking, just you also remember one thing. Just when you start speaking, firstly you speak. When you speak, there are many types of issues, many types of problems, also do in the initially time. But after sometimes you speak English language fluently, because of the reason ki there are many types of issues will come in your mind, and you want to speak English language fluently. You must focus on when you see any types of things, when you listen any types of things, when you watch movies and watch episode, any types of things. When you see that's like that, when you go anywhere, then you thinking about that. If you see many types of things, then you translate into English language. Because of the reason, there is many types of people also want to speak English language, but you belong to the rural background. When you belong to the rural background, but you want to speak English language, that's a very easy method. Whatever I talk about today, ki when you thinking about that ki I want to speak English language fluently, the first thing is that you don't focus on the people, what the people thinking about you, and you also focus on yourself and about your sentence, about your sense. When you focus on your sentence about your sense, then you speak English language fluently. And there is many types of thinking of that ki he also thinking about his mind ki I can't be speak English language, because of the reason there is many types of vocab I can't be understand, I can't be learn about that. I have thinking about the grammar. But grammar is important, but when you start speaking, there is no important of this grammar, because of the reason ki when you speak there is many types of people, but he can't be focused. When you start speaking now, the people is in front of you, can't be focused on that. What are you speaking at this time? He also understand about the sense of you. He also understand about the sense of you. He can't understand what is the helping, what is the main verb of you. But you also focus on that. What is the helping verb? What is the main verb of you? You can't be make a sentence. But if you want to speak English language, na, and you complete meaning. When you make a complete meaning, then you speak that. Firstly, you speak. When you speak, then you learn that. But